The design of this car originated with the BAT cars that was a collaboration between Alfa Romeo and Bertone. Actually, this car was a direct descendant of those original BAT cars, which were produced in 1953 through 1955. Closest in common with this car was the BAT 9 car. It originated as a Giulietta with a 1300cc engine in the Sprint Speciale, and then became the Giulia with a 1600cc engine as in this model. I had a Alfa 164 in the early 90s and always liked the Alfas. And I think I saw the first one of these Sprint Speciales actually on bringatrailer.com. It happened to be over here in Troy, New York, and I went to take a look at it. And the lines just really said something to me. However, that car had been rolled and had an engine that wasn't in the car, weren't sure if it was working. And then I mentioned it to a friend, actually a gentleman who's well connected with the Italian automobile market. And he mentioned that he had one and he might want to sell it. And so we negotiated back and forth, and I ended up buying the car. The car was in Italy to begin with, and we had actually had it restored by Carrozzeria Viscari, located up near Lake Como. They happen to be the same company that's used by Zagato to do a lot of Zagato's work. And so that's where the car was restored over nearly a little over a year of restoration. After it was restored, the car went to Technico Classica Essen in Essen, Germany, to be on the stand of the restorer. And it had great accolations from the people in Essen. And then it was put on a boat and came here. Well, with a 1600cc engine, it's quite a performer. It was originally thought of as being a race car, but never really very competitive. However, it's no slouch. It gets right along. 5-speed transmission, 1600cc engine, as I said, it moves right along. Now, I think the biggest thing about this car is that the lines of it, there's not a straight panel on the car. It's just a beautiful shape. Has a cam tail, which is a cut-off tail, which was on the original BAT cars. And it's just a beautiful design.